we need our house to be aesthetically pleasing, and just because we have kids, that doesn't mean we gonna let them ruin it. Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is Ashley No Swiper. Doing something different today. As you can see, I'm sitting in my living room on my white sofa that my kids love to get dirty. So today's video will be about how I keep my white sofa clean. Yeah, because it's a struggle. Not anymore, because I'm going to share all my tips and tricks that I've learned over the past year and a half, how I keep this sofa clean, because we need our house to be aesthetically pleasing, and just because we have kids, that doesn't mean we gonna let them ruin it. So enough with the chit chat, let's get this video started. Okay, so I'm removing all the pillows off of the sofa before I remove the covering. And do you see these lint balls? Let me show y'all this cushion, because this is a real good one so you can judge off of, okay? Like, that's the con of having a cotton couch or cotton cushions. Like, and I'm gonna get to what's inside these in just a moment. I'll get it together. We gon' get it together.
Indeed, yeah. I see you looking like a snack. Let me see some. You are the wifey type, baby. You could be one. Let me change your life. I could show you many reasons, different seasons. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. He is not damn, don't play with him. She is not damn, don't play with her. I got a R-O-D, she got a P-N-C. Baby girl, you know you was made for me. Hop in my bag and I stay in it. Hit from the back and I stay in it. She is not damn.
Whew. I just did one side of the couch. Now I'm doing the other side. And I always put the alcohol in this spray bottle just to make it easier instead of just pouring it on here. And I use this for spot cleaning. And I just take a washcloth or any old rag. I try not to use any rags that has color in it, because of course it has dye in it, and just go from there. So sometimes it takes a long time. Sometimes it doesn't. It all depends on how dirty it is. And I clean my couch once a month. So I'm not gonna lie, like I've been knowing about this too. This is a fabric shaver. So I just shaved 1/2 of the couch. Like, look how much lint is in this. These are lint balls from the sofa. I'm gonna have to do the couch cushions as well as the rest of the sofa. I already know this thing is gonna fill up even more. So I hate that it's battery operated. So far my batteries haven't died. I've been having it a couple weeks now. But I wish it had a USB so we can just charge it up instead of just having battery options. But this thing works miracles. I was skeptical and didn't think this worked, but I'm so happy it does. So, hey you guys, so it is day number 2. No, that's 4 if I do this. Day number 2, new wig. I switched it up. No makeup today because I am going to be running the fabric shaver on the sofa again. Also using a lint roller. So I just use this big jumbo lint roller I got from Walmart. And then of course the fabric shaver. I actually have the fabric shaver listed in the description below. And I really want to know if you guys, this hack worked for you. So stop what you're doing. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just mom hacks and different things around the house that you have trouble with, just say it below. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and run this fabric shaver on this sofa.
To impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting.
Okay, you guys, so we are finally done with the sofa. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So comment, like, and subscribe, and please let me know if the fabric shaver worked for you all, because if you have cotton furniture or any type of cotton around the house and it has lint balls on it, whether it is your sweater or bodysuit, because I had an issue with bodysuits and lint balls, not wanting to get them out by hand, but I wish I knew about the fabric shaver a long time ago. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and until next time, See y'all later.